Greetings from the future explorers. With the groundbreaking 2026 Chevrolet Motorhome, be ready to enjoy the freedom of the wide open road. Because of its clever design for each travel, this RV is more than simply a vehicle. It's a statement about life. Every facet of Chevrolet's distinctive strength and flair is on exhibit, from its sleek, contemporary design with aerodynamic features intended to reduce wind and increase economy to its adjustable LED headlights that shine at night. These RVs include a range of sturdy chassis options, including as the Chevrolet Express van base and the modified Silverado HD. A range of robust and dependable engines power them. With its amazing power and towing capacity, the well-known Ecotec 3 gasoline V8 engine guarantees a pleasant ride on any terrain. In contrast, the Duramax Turbo-Diesel V6 engine offers exceptional performance and fuel economy for reasonably priced transportation. You are immediately drawn to the dashboard's elegant and driver-focused design. All the relevant information is at your fingertips thanks to a huge infotainment touchscreen that doubles as the control center and a digital instrument panel that can be customized. You won't get lost thanks to wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto compatibility, and built-in navigation. For extended trips, the ergonomic dashboard design with premium materials, brushed chrome accents, and gentle ambient lighting creates a contemporary and cozy cockpit. The 2026 Chevrolet Motorhome's main cabin is the right combination of utility and style. The spacious and bright interior is further enhanced by the motorized slide-out while parked. In addition to providing breathtaking views of your surroundings, large windows with creative curtains let in natural light. The ideal lounge space for entertaining or unwinding is created with a plush leather sofa and movable captain's chairs. Comfort and simplicity of upkeep are two advantages of alternatives to long-lasting luxury vinyl or hardwood flooring. After a day of exploring, the bedroom space is supposed to be a peaceful haven. A good mattress and a cozy queen or king-size bed are essential for a good night's sleep. There are side tables with separate reading lamps and USB charging jacks on either side of the bed. The interior is kept neat with built-in closets and roomy drawers that offer plenty of room for keeping all of your necessities. A serene ambience is created by soft lighting and windows with privacy curtains. The 2026 Chevrolet Motorhome's bathroom is evidence that luxurious travel doesn't have to come at the expense of comfort. The bathroom has a large walk-in shower with sufficient water pressure, a contemporary sink with high-end faucets, a porcelain toilet, and an elegant design. Convenience is offered with a huge mirror with built-in lighting and creative toiletry storage. It feels hygienic and clean because of the premium, easily cleaned materials. Every camper's kitchen is its main attraction, and the 2026 Chevrolet camper is no exception. With its large solid surface countertop, 2-burner induction cooktop, convection oven/microwave, full-size refrigerator, and freezer, this kitchen is ideal for serious chefs. Even while cooking outside, meal preparation is made simple and enjoyable with a stainless steel sink with a pull-out faucet and plenty of storage space in the cupboards and drawers.